All right, for your next travels, this is a must. It's a large pump with a 20-volt battery, rechargeable unit, so you could charge it. The actual main pipe to inflate. Different attachments for different kind of inflatables. And in case you forget it, you got some in here too. So you don't have to be worrying about it, interchange them. Now this thing is tied down in here, so it won't get tangled. Battery goes in the back here, all right? And the functions are going to be on the top, all right? Very simple if you guys can see all the functions. I'm going to try to see if I can show you guys the functions. You got memory, manual, and this is pause and play, meaning that for the pump, power on, and then minus and plus, all right? And these are the modes, all right, too also. Modes means that you could interchange to different vehicles. It's made for RVs, large trucks, and recreational vehicles too. Pretty much any kind of pump that you need that you inflate. And at the same time, you could do your accessories too, meaning that you could water inflatable toys, your inflatable bed, and so forth. So today we're going to put this to use because I do need air on my truck. I'm going to set it up. To set it up, look at this. On the side of button, there's actually a USB Type-C that you plug in. And when you power it up, it tells you how much battery you have right now. We have 2 charged right now. We could charge it up later down the line, but this is closed. And then all you got to do is attach it here. You guys can see it lock in place and it locks in. And I forgot to mention one important thing too, that you also have a light here. So that's a very important thing if you ever want to turn it on. See light? And it's individually separated from the other functions, all right? And so power on, hold on the power button. 1, 2, 3, it comes on. It tells you your what perspective, what point do you want this to actually set up. Right now we're at 5 pounds, all right? Change the mode, 30 pounds, and so forth. So you could change the pounds, how much berry you want, all right? Another great thing that this has a long hose. That's why I tell you it's made for larger vehicles, so you could reach the actual place that you're going to plug this into and start adding your own air. So this is perfect. Look how long it is. This is super long. This is great for like a larger vehicles. So if you're going to have, instead of smaller cars, you need the extra extensions for the large tires. Important thing, when you're going to charge this, there's a charging station here, but you could charge other parts in here with this. With the USB, you could charge other devices. But this is perfect because I'm going to charge it from the top in here. All right, so we know that this tire needs air. It's at 29 right now, so power this on. And because we have a long extension, we have to worry about tanglements. And here's the actual meat of it. Connect it. Once we have it, target that we want, menu, no 30, go higher to 33 maybe. Put this cap on. So if you guys are looking for powerful, very powerful pump like this for larger vehicles, trucks, 4x150s, RVs, pretty much anything that you want larger tires to inflate, this is perfect.